Welcome to the Shortwave channel with an evening with the Kenwood R-5000. We're going to tune around 10,000 to 11,000 kilohertz with comments for whatever we can find or hear if we know what it is. So we start at 0210 UTC and we are starting at 10,000 kilohertz WWV in Colorado. And of course, we're going to tune an upper sideband for a very simple reason. Everything that I should encounter should be technically in single sideband from 10 to 11 megahertz because it's part utility, part small amateur radio band, 30 meters. So there shouldn't be really anything in AM mode. If there is, it's going to be interesting. If they're not, well, we're going to continue tuning. So let's see if we hear anything between 10,000 11,000 kilohertz. It is to note that 10051 is a Gander, Newfoundland, Canada Volmet station for aeronautical weather at every 20 minutes and 50 minutes to the hour. And 100. If I'm not mistaken, I think this might be coming out of Cuba. It's there like pretty much 24 hours a day. And let me just check here. Oh, it is not. It is the Pinberg DWD Pinberg radio teletype out of Germany. So let's see if we can, let's try this. Radio teletype. Let's try to decode something with my tablet here. Droid. Do I have Droid? Must have an RTTY app. Here we go. RTTY. Let's see if we can decode anything out of this. Just have to change the settings. There we go. It might be reversed. Let's check it out here. Is it reversed? Reversed. Go back. There we go. RY is what we want. Just out a note, this is weather info. These numbers, what you see here is actually not just random stuff. It's actually real info that you can, if you have the information, decode. It's weather information from different stations. So this is what we have here on 10100 coming out of Germany. So this is going to be interesting. I should definitely make a video explaining how to understand these numbers. So now we've entered the 30 meter band amateur radio, which goes from 10100 to 10150. This is FD8. (10153), some more RTTY. This one I don't have any info on. Some Stanag. So that was the tuning of 10,000 to 11,000 kHz. Hope you enjoyed that. And of course, we'll continue making a few more videos. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.